In the age of information overload, where facts and concepts bombard our senses at every turn, the art of learning becomes efficient. One powerful tool that every learner uses are the flashcards. It's simple but effective, offering a streamlined pathway to mastering complex subjects. But creating flashcards isn't merely about jotting down facts. It's about crafting memorable nuggets of knowledge that ignite the flames of understanding. Join me as we delve into the art and science of flashcard creation, unlocking the secrets to maximizing retention and transforming your study sessions into captivating adventures of discovery. Keep them concise. Flashcards should contain only essential information. Use bullet points or short phrases rather than lengthy sentences. Focus on key concepts. Identify the most important concepts, definitions, formulas, or facts that you need to remember. Use active recall. Phrase questions or prompts on one side of the flashcard that require active recall of the information. This could be in the form of fill-in-the-blank statements, questions, or incomplete sentences. Include visuals. If applicable, include diagrams, charts, or images on one side of the flashcard to help reinforce the information visually. Organize by topic or theme. Group related information together to facilitate understanding and retention. This can help you see connections between different concepts. Mix it up. Include a variety of question types on your flashcards, such as multiple choice, true or false, or short answer, to keep your studying engaging. Personalize. Customize your flashcards with examples or mnemonics that are meaningful to you. This can help make the information more memorable. Review regularly. Set aside dedicated time to review your flashcards consistently. Spaced repetition techniques can be particularly effective for long-term retention. Prioritize. Focus on creating flashcards for the most important or challenging material first. You can always add more flashcards later as needed. Seek feedback. If possible, have someone else review your flashcards or quiz you using them. This can help identify any areas where you may need to clarify or revise your content. Use digital tools. Consider using flashcard apps or online platforms that offer features such as spaced repetition, algorithms, or the ability to sync across devices for convenient studying. Keep them organized. Keep your flashcards organized by topic or course to make it easier to study efficiently. In the world of learning, flashcards stand out as simple yet powerful tools. By focusing on clarity, relevance, and engagement, you can create flashcards that truly enhance your understanding and retention of information. So, armed with these tips, dive into your studies with confidence, knowing that your well-crafted flashcards will guide you on the path to success.